we're going to do an event about designing for complex UI.
Yeah,
right.
That's.
Or tell me what's the need? Why? What are we going to?
Yeah, I mean, life is so difficult at this point, isn't it? I mean, we are at this point in what is it now? 2022. We're almost in the future, right? And in the future,
Almost.
it seems like everything that we've covered in the past seems to be very obvious. We think about accordions, we think about navigation, the simple things that we've done that before. It's not a groundbreaking thing. And so what I tried to do, and this was kind of my task in the last 2 years, I was working on really complex and very, very boring systems that I'm sure that many of you are working on as well. That means enterprise, that means just a lot of legacy systems as well. And these systems are kind of inherently very complex, like just really complex. It doesn't mean though that they have to be complicated in terms of people using them, right? And so my job was in many ways to try to improve these complex systems and make them a bit more usable to everyone, kind of hiding complexity under the surface. And so this workshop that we're going to do on 20-something, Avi, I don't remember the dates, I'm afraid, is all about some of the really complex things and how we can make them a bit better. And we're going to look into enterprise level tables and filtering and search, and also, of course, very complex navigation. How do we deal with things like specification, with estimates when it comes to time? Kind of really not necessarily the most exciting, but really complex things, which usually require a lot of effort to get right and a lot of research, I guess, to kind of even have an understanding of where you even start. So we're going to break some really complex things into something that's a bit more approachable and usable by everybody, keeping an eye on accessibility, usability, and for all kind of different things. So this is going to be not the most fun one, I think, but I think that many people will be suffering with similar problems that I was suffering in the past.
Who is this going to be like? So who is this for? Like, because are we talking about enterprise level complexity? What is this? Who is this for?
Yeah, I think it's mostly for people who just want to be ready for whatever comes their way at this point. So if you're just maybe a little bit bored with just regular tasks that come your way, and you want to be ready for any kind of enterprise level task, be it a design perspective, be it a front end perspective, be it even a project manager perspective, I think you'll find a lot of things and a lot of really useful guidelines, best practices, and things that worked really well for some other companies and things that don't work at all and fail miserably in real life. So if you want to avoid costly mistakes and losing, I don't know, hundreds and hundreds of man days, that's probably going to help. This is at least my hope.
Okay, thank you, Vitaly.